After years of discussion, we have reached a key moment in the world of cryptocurrencies and blockchain, something that could change how the world, especially the world of high finance, views cryptocurrencies. I'm talking about Ethereum 2.0. For those who are not exactly informed about what it is and Ethereum 2.0, and why I think it could be a real turning point in the world of cryptocurrencies, well, this video is for you, but let's start. Hi everyone, today we're talking about Ethereum 2.0. I've been waiting for this moment for a long time because Ethereum, among all the existing cryptocurrencies, has always fascinated me, both in terms of technology and use cases, and I've always thought that without this second update, there was a significant limit. But before we start this video, I want to specify one very important thing. Guys, this video is not intended for cryptocurrency experts. The video will not be an absolutely technical and computer science explanation of what Ethereum 2.0 is, so experts, forgive me for some simplifications that I have to make to reach as many people as possible. What you are interested in today is talking about the economies of Ethereum, so how Ethereum 2.0 is different, especially in terms of finance. But let's start with a little context, for those who are completely new to the world of cryptocurrencies. The scale of magnitude, to be clear, is $370 billion in market capitalization for Bitcoin and $160 billion for Ethereum. The two coins work thanks to the underlying blockchain, which in the case of Bitcoin is Bitcoin, and in the case of Ethereum, it's Ethereum. So, be careful right away not to confuse the two things. Ethereum is the cryptocurrency. The blockchain I cannot physically explain again what it is. But if you want to delve into it, I'll leave a video up here where I talked about it in detail. For today, let's just say that this update has changed Ethereum's consensus algorithm. Okay, let's explain it in a simpler way. Before, Ethereum used a mechanism called proof of work, the same used today by Bitcoin. Proof of work allows transactions to be added to a new block only when a cryptographic problem is solved. The first person, also called a miner, who solves this problem can add a new block to the blockchain, receiving a reward in cryptocurrencies, which before the update were about 2 Ether for every block added. The cryptographic problem in question is a decryption problem, so it's not a problem as you imagine it in math books, and it's typically solved by trial and error, brutally trying many combinations. And so, who has the ability to create money out of nothing? The proof-of-stake mechanism works by using nodes, which can be considered reference points within the network. The nodes are chosen based on the amount of cryptocurrency they hold and decide whether to validate a transaction or not based on their stake, or their quota, within the network. This mechanism has two great advantages. The first is that a lot of computing power is not needed to validate transactions, which makes the process much less energy intensive. The second is that it is much more difficult for a group of nodes to take control of the network. Ethereum 2.0 also introduces other important innovations, such as sharding, which is the division of the network into many shards, fragments, to increase transaction processing capacity. In this way, the network becomes much more scalable and able to handle increasing transactions without slowdowns. In conclusion, Ethereum 2.0 represents an important step forward for the world of cryptocurrencies and blockchain, which could have significant repercussions even on the world of high finance. Its implementation could lead to an increase in the use of cryptocurrencies globally and greater investor confidence.